Today I'm going to talk to you about our calming rinse. It's a facial rinse formulated with French botanicals to complete the cleansing process. Now, it's not like an astringent or a toner that's going to dry out your skin with alcohol. It's going to remove traces of dirt and water residue from your skin. Now, when you wash your face with soap and water, it leaves behind a film that will dehydrate your skin. Calming rinse is formulated with cucumber, rose water, and grapeseed extracts that will reduce irritation and inflammation in your skin. We recommend saturating a cotton pad and thoroughly wiping your face and neck with the rinse. You'll use it in the morning and in the evening after you cleanse and before you spray your skin with the hydrating mist. We recommend using the rinse with the Essentials morning and evening routine, which you can find at shopwholestory.com, and continue to stay with us so you can get the whole story.